Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to use PowerPoint's recording and rehearsing tools. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So like if you want to record your PowerPoint slide, okay, let's suppose that if you want to send this presentation to someone and you want to record it like in your own voice explaining each slide, then what you're gonna have to do, you have to go into this slideshow tab here, and here you have this record option. Okay, you will click on this one, and if you basically want to record from the whole presentation from the start, you will click on this, and if you want to just record this slide, you will click on this one. So I want to record this whole, I will just click on this one, and then here you will see this kind of interface here, and here this box, which this will include your webcam. Okay, so if you have a webcam, then your image will be displayed here, and here you will see your slides. Okay, so let me just go back here and just record this slide here like this one. Okay, and now if you wish to record it, you will just simply click on record, and it will use your microphone, and then you will record, and then you will stop it, and it will save in your PC, and then you will send it. And what's about the rehearsing tool? This is the tool which allows you to rehearse your PowerPoint presentation before actually giving your presentation in front of someone. Okay, and it will basically listen to your presentation in real time and give you feedbacks. So you will click on this one, and then up here you can see that right now it is recording. Okay, so we will give our presentation in the real time here, and it will basically listens to us, and it will give its feedback here. Okay, so that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.